Today I'm checking out this Perfecto beard wash and beard conditioner that was sent to me so I could do this review. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. All right, so in the package you get some beard wash here, 17 ounces, and you get beard conditioner, also 17 ounces. They both come with the little pumps that you put on them, so you can pump this stuff out in the shower. They are sealed with this little aluminum seal. Make sure it's sealed when you get them. They do say they are sandalwood scented, and I would almost say it has kind of like a baby powder smell to it. You can still smell that it's kind of like a soap or a shampoo, but like I said, it does have like a baby powder smell mixed into it. So not like a real strong odor. It says the conditioner is also the same, sandalwood scented. So this should really bring out the color in your beard, make it nice and healthy looking. And then of course you follow it up conditioner. If you have a really nice full beard, I mean, it makes it look nice and clean. I'm growing my beard out, so we're going to see how well it does. Anyways, I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.